Unleash unprecedented creative control by transforming the very perspective of your AI models with Nano Banana. Our journey begins by selecting the AI model you wish to reorient. Think of this as choosing your canvas. First, we'll focus on the core rotation. Nano Banana allows for precise adjustments, letting you spin your model around its central axis. Use the intuitive controls to dial in the exact rotation, whether it's a subtle turn or a dramatic full spin. Next, we tackle the pitch. This is how you tilt your model up or down, essential for capturing dynamic poses or showcasing specific features from new angles. Experiment with these vertical adjustments to create a sense of looking up at a towering character or down at a detailed object. Now, let's refine the yaw. This controls the left and right swivel, allowing for a more natural presentation or a dramatic reveal. Imagine a character turning to look at something off screen, or an object slowly rotating to present its full profile. Nano Banana isn't just about rotation, it's about sculpting the narrative of your 3D creations through perspective. Beyond rotation, we can adjust the model's overall positioning, fine-tune its placement in the virtual space, bringing it closer or pushing it further away. This depth manipulation is key to creating compelling scenes and guiding the viewers. I think of it as your digital spotlight. From subtle tweaks to radical transformations, Nano Banana empowers your artistic expression, enabling you to redefine the visual language of your AI models. Explore these techniques and unlock your creative potential.